People, today I'm just going to show you a little quick tutorial on how to insert a micro SD card into your Switch. Now it's pretty self-explanatory, nothing too major. Right here I have my micro SD, if it focuses please. Alright, well it won't focus. But anyways, it's a micro SD. So, real quick, all you need to do is if you see here in the back of your Switch, you see like, oh, where's the micro SD slot? It's as simple as flipping this up, and there you go. There's the micro SD slot right there. And if you insert it, it's pretty tough having one finger. Sort of like that. You will be prompted. Oh, Alright, so you will be prompted with restoring the console to use micro SD, and just press restart. It takes a couple seconds to load it all up. Boop, 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 boop. And if we checked our settings and go to data management, there we go, we have the micro SD. Now if you have a Switch Lite, it's the same exact thing as this. It's just that for here you don't have a little kickstand, so they have actually it's much easier prompt to just insert the micro SD right here. And that's about it. It's the same thing as this. It's just that it's more easier access, I guess. And with that being said, it's just a quick video, nothing too major. And if you like the content, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and now you know how to insert a micro SD card into a Switch. Bye bye now. Bye.